Have you ever thought about turning your daily internet browsing into a profitable side hustle? If that idea intrigues you, you're in luck. Today, I'm excited to share a simple yet effective method to start generating a steady income online using 3 powerful websites: Quora, ClickBank, and ChatGPT. What's great about this approach is that you don't need a website, any special skills, or upfront investment to get started. Just follow the steps I outline, and you could be earning commissions in no time, all while engaging with content you already enjoy. Strategy overview. In the vast world of online income opportunities, many people find traditional freelancing jobs to be highly competitive and difficult to secure. You might be thinking that creating a blog or a YouTube channel is the way to go, but that often requires significant time and effort before you see any return. Instead, I'm offering you a new perspective and approach that leverages the strengths of 3 well-known platforms to create a less competitive and easier entry point into making money online. This strategy will combine Quora for answering questions, ClickBank for finding affiliate products to promote, and ChatGPT for generating high-quality responses quickly and efficiently. Using Quora. Let's start with Quora. If you don't already have an account, creating one is completely free and takes just a few minutes. Once you're signed in, you'll find a search bar at the top of the homepage. This search bar is your gateway to discovering questions that people are asking in your niche. I recommend focusing on 3 key areas that tend to have a lot of engagement: wealth, relationships, and health. These topics have consistently shown high demand and can yield quick results. For our example, we'll focus on weight loss, which is a popular subject. After typing weight loss into the search bar, make sure to filter the results by questions and then adjust the time filter to show the most recent inquiries. This helps you find fresh questions that haven't been inundated with answers, giving you a better chance of standing out and being noticed. Using ChatGPT. Once you've found a relevant question, the next step is to turn to ChatGPT for assistance in crafting a thoughtful response. When interacting with ChatGPT, ask it to generate a well-structured answer divided into distinct sections, such as an introduction, key points, and a conclusion. This not only enhances the quality of your response, but also makes it easier for readers to follow along. Additionally, request a bulleted summary at the end to provide a quick recap of the main points. A well-organized response is more likely to resonate with readers, increasing your chances of getting upvotes and visibility. Posting and monetizing. After generating your response with ChatGPT, copy the text and return to Quora to submit your answer. Before you click post, take a moment to polish the presentation of your answer. Break the text into smaller, more digestible paragraphs, highlight important phrases, and use bullet points to enhance readability. These formatting tweaks can significantly improve user engagement and encourage readers to interact with your answer. Now let's talk about monetization. To start earning money from your Quora answers, you'll need to create a free account on ClickBank, one of the largest affiliate marketing platforms available. Once you log in, you can browse a wide array of product categories. Look for products that align with the topic of your Quora answer. Since we're focusing on weight loss, you might search for relevant products such as the smoothie diet. After identifying a product you believe in, generate your unique affiliate link for that product. This link is crucial because it tracks any sales made through your recommendations, allowing you to earn a commission for every purchase. Integrating your affiliate link. With your affiliate link ready, it's time to integrate it into your Quora response. A good strategy is to create a dedicated section in your answer titled "My Top Recommendation" or something similar. In this section, briefly describe the product you're endorsing and hyperlink the product name with your affiliate link. This method is more professional and visually appealing than simply pasting the raw URL into your response. It's also essential to mention the product naturally throughout your answer, not just in the promotional section. You might reference it in the introduction, the main body, and the conclusion, but make sure to do this in a way that feels organic rather than forced. Overloading your answer with affiliate links can turn readers off, so balance is key. Maximizing success. To maximize your success with this strategy, set a daily goal for yourself. Aim to answer at least 20 relevant questions each day. The more questions you tackle, the higher your chances of earning commissions. Additionally, it's beneficial to be one of the first to respond to new questions. Quora allows you to filter questions by their posting time, so take advantage of this feature. Being quick to respond increases your answer's visibility, as early responses typically receive more upvotes and engagement, further amplifying your reach. While leveraging timing and consistency. Timing is crucial in this strategy. By regularly checking for new questions in your niche, you position yourself to provide timely answers that people are actively seeking. Additionally, consistency is vital. The more you engage with the platform, the more followers you'll gain, and the more likely people will be to see your future answers. Over time, as you build a reputation for providing valuable content, your answers may start to attract more clicks and conversions, leading to a steady stream of income. Conclusion: by following these steps diligently, you can create a reliable stream of passive income through affiliate marketing on Quora. Remember, the key is to focus on providing genuine value to your audience while subtly promoting relevant products. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, please feel free to reach out in the comments. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Your support is what keeps me motivated to create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.